Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in the 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuses to check in case you are having problems with your trailer. So in case there is no power coming to the trailer or some of the lights on the trailer are not working and things like that. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. And yes, this video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2024 and newer. So I'm recording this in 2026, so it might apply to 2027, 8, who knows. Most of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just here behind the battery. Now to remove this cover, there is like a black tab. You want to press it and gently lift up, and then you have to wiggle this cover out. So there's lots of things on the way, so just be careful. And here you will get access to the fuses. Okay, first fuse to check, fuse number 8, will be this 30 amp fuse located right here. This is the fuse for trailer towing. Then you have fuse number 10 just next to it. This is also 30 amp fuse, and this is the fuse responsible for trailer tow braking. So fuse number 8 and fuse number 10. Then you have fuse number 42, which is a trailer brake control module. This 20 amp fuse are located here. Next one we have fuse number 60, trailer tow park lamps. This is the fuse right here. Okay, I'll zoom it in a bit. Okay, also 30 amp, just next to this big relay. And then the last one here, fuse number 81, will be this red 10 amp fuse, the trailer tow connector. This is the connector. Okay. Now the next two fuses are in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin. Now this one is a bit harder to access. You have to take a couple of things apart. You have to remove this side cover, then you have to remove this long side piece here. Then you can pop out this main piece to be able to access the fuse box down there. And then there is this cover on the fuse box which just pops out like this. Okay, so here it is. So here first you want to check this 5 amp fuse down here. This is your trailer brake switch. And then there is one more trailer towing connector fuse. It's this 15 amp blue fuse. This is fuse number 72. So yeah, my guess, if you have problems with the trailer, just check all of these fuses and see if any of this is blown, and that might fix your problem, because quite often this is the most common cause. One of the fuses is blown and that's causing you the issues. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.